By continuing to watch this video, you agree to the disclaimer on the screen. Please hit pause to read it before continuing. Thank you. In this video, you will learn how to install the Daikin Home Air Monitor. The first step is to prepare the monitor for installation. The terminals are located here. Let's take a closer look at the terminals and insert the wires. Next, tighten the screws on the terminal. Once you have tightened the screws, you will slide the mounting plate onto the monitor until you hear a click. Next, slide on the mounting gasket. Remember to use the 1.5-inch gasket for rectangular ducts or the 2-inch gasket for circular ducts. Now turn on power to the monitor. The status light is located here. When installing the monitor, you want to ensure that the status LED light is blue. If it is any other color than blue, insert a paper clip here and hold for 8 to 12 seconds to reset the monitor and status light to blue. Identify the mounting location and drill a hole in the duct. Insert the monitor into the hole. However, do not install the screws, as we will do that in the commissioning process.